Welcome class 7th to online computer class. Let's begin the today's session. Today I will be discussing the book exercise MCQ type questions, right? But before that, as usual, one simple request: you have to like, share and subscribe the channel. And so many students are watching. What about the assignment completion work? When you will give me assurance? Only 2-3 students are giving. Now everyone, please, everyone, it's a request, humble request to you. Please do comment about your work and about how much you have understand this chapter, right? So let's start. Multiple choice question. If you want to see the questions, you can refer the PDF, and I think most of you have books also, so in book directly you can write the answers, but here I am just discussing what the answers of these questions. So my first question is, the chart tools command are found in this design and format tab. Design and format tab are the tabs where you can find chart and tools command. Next is about grid line. Horizontal lines. These are the horizontal lines, right? And these are the vertical lines. So this type of line in the chart is called grid line. Now my next question. You can create the chart by pressing the which key? F11 key. You can insert a chart from the chart group under the insert tab. This thing I show you in Excel sheet. Look here, this is an Excel sheet, you all aware, this is a worksheet, right? And select the data, go to insert tab, and insert tab where you will find charts. In which column? Chart column. See, right? So answer is chart column. Here you can insert the chart. Clear? Look here, in the insert tab you will go to charts group, right? Next part. Chart area is the largest element covering the complete chart. In a chart, chart area covers the largest part. I will show you soon. Just wait. And data label represent the value of single data item from the sheet on the chart. Data labels, we used to insert the labels on the sheet now. So that sheet. Okay. Again coming to this Excel sheet. First thing I would like to show you chart area. This is chart area. This, please students, see, the entire area is the chart area, right? And now what about data label? Left click, right click, add data label. January month 8, so data label is 8. This is the benefit of data label. You need not have to see the data. You can see the chart and you can recognize what is going on, right? Now next question. Legends help us to distinguish different categories of data. Suppose we are using multiple categories, so legends will help you to differentiate among them. Next is data table option is present in the label group in the layout tab. Where nothing to mug up, just to understand. Once we will go through the charts, we will learn each and everything, right? This is the reason I am discussing the questions with you as well as showing the Excel sheet to you, right? Data label option is present. Data table option is present in the label group. Let again go back to the Excel. Now see, this is the Excel sheet. We are talking about data label option. Select the graph. Go to layout tab. This is data table. So in which group it is there? Please students see, label group, right? And one more thing that we are about the legend. See, suppose there is another series, say of different animal, dolphin, and we can select clear. Suppose I have selected another series, and now if I insert the chart, different series will be shown. Red color is dolphin. So this is the usefulness of the legend. Different colors, different series. Now your MCQs are all clear, because I have practically shown you what the answer is, right, of each and every MCQ. Don't mug up anything. Try to understand everything. One more thing that I have already told you, just a repetition, how to rename the sheet. See, you can select the sheet and rename option will come. Click on rename and you can rename as class 7th. Okay, this way class 7th, the sheet has been renamed, right? Now I hope everything is understandable by you. Thank you. Have a nice day.